Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this session, we are going to learn how to use the Canva interface on our phones. We are going to explore the Canva home screen, learn where to find templates, elements, text tools, and then create a simple design using a template. So let's get started. So this is how our Canva dashboard looks like. There are three ways to design in Canva. The first option is you can create your own design by coming here to custom size, and then you put in your values and then you click create design, or you can search for the template that you want by writing in what you want, or the third option is you click on any of these formats that have been availed to you. There is the Instagram post, the flyer, the business card, magic video, anything that you want. So now we are going to click on the Instagram post. So when you click on the Instagram post, Canva will automatically avail you different templates in that format. So you can look through the templates like this. So when you see a template that has a yellow crown on the lower right corner, just know that is a pro template. So you can look through the templates, different templates, depending on what you want, and then you choose. So let us say we want to do let me just scroll through. Let us just say I want to do let's just say I want to do a church flyer, a church post design. So I'm going to click on this, and then we are going to now start editing and putting in what we want. Let us start by changing the fonts. Let's say I want to change the fonts of praise, and so there's a lower bar down here where we can change the font from. The lower bar consists of edit, font, text styles, font size, color, format, advanced, effects, animate, transparency, positions, nudge, and more. So we are going to go to fonts, and then we're going to click on this arrow here, and then we're going to start looking for fonts to replace the existing font in case we don't want it. So the font that they used is Horizon, so we can change it to maybe Akivo Black, and then our font has changed. So we can also increase the size by again going to our lower bar here and choosing font size, and then increasing the font like that. Alternatively, you can still click on let me first put this down, it's kind of big. So you can click on this, and then you come to one of the corners, and then you drag to make it big. So we are going to also change the font of this. Let us first straighten it. You see these two arrows that are down here? You're going to click on them, then we start moving it like this, and then we make it straight. Then we extend it like almost inside the praise and then we go again to font, and then we click the arrow again, and then we look for a font. Let me try this one. Okay, this is quite big. So if it is big, I can first close this font thing, then I go to size and then reduce it, and then bring it a little bit down. There we have it. We have changed our fonts for these words. So now let us try to change the color. So again, I'm going to click on the praise, text. Then I go to color here, and then still I'm going to I can click on this arrow here. Then I click on this color wheel like this, and then I'll slide to change to change to the color that I want. After sliding here on this slide bar, I can slide inside the circle inside the rectangle to give me the color that I want. So there are two options. There is solid color here and there's gradient color. When I click on gradient color, it means my text is going to have two colors. So I can still change the style here like this. I think that looks good, and then I will close it like that. And then again, I'll go to worship, and we shall also change its color. We go here like this. Again, we slide to our desired color like that, and then we close. So we can also still change these. You can either change the font. I feel like the font is okay. Oh, yeah, you can change the font. You can either, let's say it is not bold enough. So you come here to format. If you want to change the boldness, you come here to format. You click on it. So you can either bold it, or you can put it in italics, or you can underline it, or you can put it in caps lock. So let us remove the underline and this, and also let us remove the caps lock. You can also either align it to the center, right, this, or left. So let us leave it at left alignment. So we close this. Then the next thing is to change the images. Now, if you want to change this image, you just click on this. You can just click on it like this. Then you go to replace. It will take you straight to your gallery, and you will choose an image that you want. Right now, I don't have an image that does not have background, so I will not choose any. So again, you can also change the background images. So you can just click on this image like this. Again, you go to replace, and then you choose cancel. So you will check any of the images. I'm going to just choose a random image. I hope I don't choose something that will, let me say I've chosen this. So I'll just choose that, and then you see it has changed. Now if you see that my image is kind of below, so I will go to crop like this, and then I'll extend my image up so that whatever that I want to be seen is seen, and then I'll say done. So you see my image is seen. So I'll do the same for this back image. There is a layer in front here. I'm going to first extend it here like this, then I'll click on this, then I'll go to replace. I'll choose this. Again, I'm going to slide this layer this side, then I click on this, I go to replace, I replace. Then I will do the same with this one here. So I will click on replace, then I will replace it. So I will click on replace. Okay, it has replaced. Then I will bring this layer back here in case I want to also edit this one here, and let's say I want to bring another shape. Let's delete. So I will go to elements, and then I will go to shapes. You see, when you click on elements, it will bring you different categories that you want to browse through. So if you want shapes, you can click here on shapes like this, and then you will choose any shape. Let us choose this one. So I will bring it here and I'll try to reduce it by holding it like this and also doing like this. So I can also change the color by coming back here to color like this, and then I'll slide and change. Or if there isn't any color that I want, that is when I'll click on this arrow to get more options. So our shape is white, but we want it to have a stroke. So we come here to style, and then you add some stroke weight. Then you go back. Then you can also change the color of the stroke. So you click on stroke color, and then we can change it to this, or we can change it to that. And then we click OK. And then we can also increase the size of that. You can either hold the circle at the corner and drag like this to make it bigger, or you can come to font size and increase the font. So I want to do some alignment in my work. Let's say I want to align this shape with the text inside. So if I want to select multiple items, I'll click on one item that I want I'll just select one item. Then this bar will come up and I'll click on these three dots like this, and then I click on select multiple and then select another item. Then after I'm done, I'm going to close here like this, and then I look for something called position. When I come to position like this, I'm going to go to align, and then I will center align them. Then I also do some middle alignment so they are centered properly. So I'll also close this bar. I can decide to group them by clicking on this. You see this bar that has group plus and delete. So I'll come here and click group. So I've grouped this part. Also, if there's an item within my design that I do not want to move while I'm designing, I can just click on it like this, and then again click on these three dots like that, and then go down to lock. So I've locked that particular item or image in place. It will not move. I can also do the same with this. This one disturbs a lot. I want to first put it down. So I'm going to click this one here. Then I also do the same, click lock, and then I also do the same with this. I lock. The same with this one here. I click on this and then lock. Then we shall have those ones locked. So let me bring back this layer like that. So after you're done with editing whatever that you want to edit and you want to download, there are two options. There is this arrow here on the upper right corner that is facing down. You can click on that to download with the default format of Canva. Or if you want to change the format, this other arrow that is facing up, you click on it like this, and then you go to download, and then you can change the file type from either PNG to maybe PDF to maybe PDF for printing, or JPEG, or if you put some animations, you can click on MP4 video. So we are going to leave it at PNG, and then we are going to download. And then that is it. Your design is fully done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on other videos. Bye.